So I am super surprised at this Temu haul. I mean, this sweater right here is instantly warm. It looks junky and may fall apart in the long run, but it's completely warm. And this one over here is very comfortable, super cozy, and it's semi-warm. And believe it or not, it's an extra large. I normally wear a medium, and it's a perfect fit. Now these precious things over here are absolutely extraordinary. Super soft on the outside, perfect fit. They're an extra large. Normally I might wear a large in something like this, but super, super comfy and very, very warm. Now what can you say about this? It's a kitchen scrubber brush. How can you go wrong? Moving on to these awesome socks. I was not expecting them to be super comfy. Wow. Extra extraordinary. They are wool socks. I actually wasn't expecting them to be this soft and comfortable, so I'm quite surprised at these Temu socks. Moving on to these absolutely gorgeous headbands. Never expected them to be so fine and so beautiful. I tried them on. They are extraordinary and highly recommended. So look at these gorgeous, well-made headbands. They're absolutely beautiful. Now check this out. I look like a hoodlum in this. I surely do. I tried it on, but this is absolutely perfect for walking your dog. Not only is it super soft and comfortable, but it's absolutely the perfect fit. I believe it's one size fits all. It's adjustable. And overall, it is just super nice. And you know what? You could do your gardening in the wintertime and not be bothered by freezing. It's just, overall, this is super. It's a hoodie. Check this out. It's actually a hood that goes over your head. It covers your face and it covers your neck. So you're completely surrounded by warmth in this awesome hoodie. Now check these out. If these aren't the most adorable and comfortable, I might add, Pippies. So cute, so warm. One little flaw is I will say that they are super slippery. The soles are slippery, even on your carpets in your house. And they could use some padding, but other than that, they're absolutely adorable, super warm, and super comfortable. And moving on to this entire haul, you hear me saying it all the time. Your chances of getting good products from Temu are only at 50% at best. This one surprised me. We have an absolute 100% accuracy on this haul. Thanks for watching.